Alright, so as you would have heard last night, we're on lockdown right now. So I'm gonna do the entire swap at my house. The engine's close to being built. I'm just waiting on my cams. So right now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove the bumper, drain the fluids, and get it ready to remove the axles. So hopefully my delivery from JDM yard comes today, because I'm waiting for headers, cams, and my flywheel. So quick disconnect, bro. Alright, oil's out. While I was down there, I just removed the cross member and I disconnected the header already. Disconnected the O2. So now, I wanted to drain the coolant as well, but fucking, I don't have anything to put the coolant in because I have this oil, I have nowhere to put it, so tomorrow I have to get a drum for my work. And I can't double this up because there's actually a massive crack because I actually ran over the oil pan like a while ago. But we don't talk about that, but you know, as I do. So I'm probably gonna start disconnecting shit over here. Also, I need to remove the pedal assembly because it's gonna be a really big bitch, because these DAs use a YS1 transmission, which is cable clutch, so it's not hydro. So I have to remove the whole pedal assembly because in these, they're all one piece, clutch, brake, and throttle. They're part of one bracket. I have to take all of that out. I watched a very detailed video by Young Static, so if you haven't seen his channel, you should probably sub. He has really good stuff. And he explains how to do a hydro conversion, but with the cable assembly. The goal today is to remove the entire assembly because I just want to get it over with, because, you know, fuck. But for now, I can just remove the airbox, maybe remove the power steering and AC already off the block, and then I'll get to the pedals. And I also haven't, fucking hell, these birds, man. Power steering's removed, fuel lines are removed, fuse box is disconnected. I'm probably gonna do some wiring and then get cracking on the pedals because I just want to get them done. Far out, man. I'm really not keen. I don't mess with wiring, and I don't really have a choice this time. This is the first time I've pulled an engine harness on my own, and I actually knew what everything was. Amazing. Look at that. If you want to learn, just go and do it. Every time we do a swap and it comes to wiring, I just give up. I'm just like, I think I know what this is. I think I know what this is. Oh, I'll ask Jarrell, what's this? Nah. Just do it. Just do it.
Not gonna lie to you. Fuck. It looks like to me that because this pedal assembly is so huge, you can see this whole metal bracket is one piece going across, so it looks like I'm going to have to drop my entire steering rack down just for it to come out.
I've never done that before, so I have no idea how to do it. I'm just gonna undo this and see what's underneath. I've taken it off before, but I actually don't remember. So I had a look at the screws and I found out I actually didn't put any of them back when I did my ignition switch. So I should just... There we go. Let's see what's going on. Yeah, I don't fucking know. Alright, I'm just gonna try to disconnect the bolts that actually bolted into the steering rack. So these here, that one up there, and same on the other side, so. Oh, look at that. Driving position. I like it. Steer with your balls. There's 4 nuts, 2 bolts. I put 2 of the nuts back just so I remember. Now, I got access to all of these goddamn bolts. Right. I've been here for like a few hours underneath there, and it is dark, it is night. That is how long I was going out these pedals, but they are out. So there's so many bolts. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7 up top. The one up top is what bothered me the most because I had to remove this AC vent, and I had to drop the steering rack. But yeah, it's finally out. Home from work once again. Today's engine day. It's back on the floor. Gonna move it back a bit, bring it back in at a better angle so we can fit the crane. And yeah, today I have hands. All right, we've moved the car, got the crane, and pretty much just have to lift it, unbolt the mount, and take it out. Les do, les do. Les do, les do. Sorry, I saw his message. I just didn't. Bro, how do you have all these like use like yeah. Wait, what is it? Are you renting it? Okay, just double check. You made it sound like you're gonna fucking buy it. Alright. Yeah, alright, cool. Oh yeah, that's cool. Yeah, that's cool, bro. We should be good by then. Yeah. Alright, cool, easy, dude. Austin just broke the light, bro. The light's busted, bro. Hey, slowly. Hey, this is why you fucking broke it. Oh, disgusting. Fucking rodeo, bro. Alright, go back. Alright. We out. I think we need a... So fucking fast. What? Taking it out. Oh, so easy. Did nothing, bro. Okay, go now. I fucking did nothing, bro. Oh, look at that tire placement. Perfect. Fuck. Oh! Oh, shit. It's funny. Alright. Dirty girl. Don't put me like that, love. King of Doge. Dreaming my love. Right there.